Hi, I'm Bob at the Penicillin Waterloo Region Museum, and today we're going to talk about how we plant garlic. Garlic is a funny plant because we plant it in the fall and we harvest it in the summer. Almost all of our other plants in the gardens are planted in the spring, obviously, but garlic is the exception. It's kind of nice because we have a bit more time in the fall, and it's also a very easy crop to grow. It doesn't have any particular requirements. You can grow it in any kind of soil. You can basically ignore it for the entire time it's growing, and you get garlic at the end. So this is what the plant looks like when we pull it up out of the ground. We dug this up right around Civic Holiday. I would say Thanksgiving is the right time for planting, and Civic Holiday is the right time to dig up your finished bulbs. We normally cut them just about that high up, just enough to not damage the bulb, but we don't really need the stem anymore, so we'll get rid of that. Now this we'll store just in room temperature, any place that's nicely ventilated. I keep mine just in a cupboard over top of my kitchen counter at home, and they keep that way for a very long time, months and months. When it comes time to plant, and that's about Thanksgiving, what we do is we plant the little pieces that are inside. So you've done this when you cook. Right? Well, this is called a clove. It's just one of the wedges that's inside. And what happens is you plant this at Thanksgiving, and you wait until Civic Holiday, and it turns into this. It does all of that just under the ground, over the winter and everything. So come Thanksgiving, we'll just break these apart, plant them in the ground about that far apart, about 4 inches, and cover them with mulch if you can. If you don't, then they just get a bit weedy, but otherwise they'll be fine. And wait till Civic Holiday, dig them up, and enjoy your garden.